everybody, happy Thursday and welcome to our maths session today. Now today we are thinking all about a new number. I wonder if you can guess what it is. The last number was 14. Wonder what this number will be. But before we do that, let's get our maths brains ready. And we're going to do that today with a song. And we're going to sing the song 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you ready? It's all about catching a fish, which works very well with what we've been doing this week, thinking about being in a boat and catching fish for our phonics. Are you ready? Get your fingers ready. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I threw it back again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. Fantastic. Did you join in? Should we sing it one more time? This time, see if you can get all your fingers at the right time and see if you can join in with the singing. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I threw it back again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. Well done. Thank you for joining in with me. Okay, are you ready to learn our new number? What's it going to be? Give us a drum roll. It's going to be number 15. Absolutely, number 15. Can you see, look, that you might need a grown-up or somebody near you to help you to make the number 15, but it's both of your hands because that's 10, and then another hand, but I don't have enough hands for that. Maybe you could use your toes as well. So we're going to learn about the number 15 today. So let's have a look. Okay, right then. Number 15, I'm going to move myself over here. Can you see him? Look, number 15, number block. Now, if you go onto BBC iPlayer, you'll be able to find the number block 15 episode. It's very good. It's all to do with steps. But number block 15, can you see? Look, he's made up of 2 numbers to make number block 15. He's got this number and this number. I wonder what those are. Let's count them. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 and 5. Just like our numicon here makes 15. We've got our 10 numicon, which is this 1 means 10. And we've got the 5 numicons. We've got 10 and 5. And all together, that's 15. Shall we check? Shall we count our numicon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It does. So 10 and 5 together is 15. So, we are going to look today at lots of different ways that we can make the number 15. So we've looked at our numicon. Next, we are going to look at our cubes. So, a cube tower. We're going to try and make a cube tower out of 15 cubes. Do you think you can help me? Okay, let's have a go. So, I've got some blue cubes here for our 10, and I've got some red cubes for our 5, just like in our numicon. So, how many blue cubes are we going to need? We're going to need 10, aren't we? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to help me count? 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, that one didn't quite go on. 9 and 10. We've got 10 cubes. Now remember, 15 is made up of 10 and what other number? 10 and 5. So we've got our 10. Let's make our 5. Are you ready? We're going to use red for this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, hang on. 4 and 5. Sort of red. Okay, so we've got 10 and 5. And together, they should make 15. Should we find out? Let's put them on top of each other. Ooh, there we go. Let's find out. Are you ready? Let's count them. We've got, what goes off the top of my screen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It does. We've made a tower of 15 using 10 and 5 and putting them together. I wonder if you can do that at home as well. Okay, let's look at another way to make 15. Okay, this time we're going to make 15 using our tens frames. So I've got 2 tens frames here. And we can make 15 by putting 2 of them together. Okay, let's have a look. So I am going to use a little circle as a counter. Here we go. So we're going to try and do 15. Are you ready? Help me count. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I've got to keep going, so we're going to go on to the next one. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We've got to 15. Now, how can we check that we've definitely got 15? Well, we've got 1 tens frame, which is full, and we know that's going to be 10. And then we've got half a tens frame. And you remember, we did halves last week. Half of 10 is 5. So half of this tens frame should be full too. So we've got 10 and 5, and together that makes 15. Now, we're also going to have a bit of a think about whether number 15 is an odd number or an even number. Okay, let's work it out. So we are going to share our counters out into 2 groups. Are you ready? Let's go 1 over there, another one over there. So we've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Right, it's quite hard to tell, isn't it, how many we've got. So let's put them into our numicon patterns. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we've got 8 on this side. And let's do our other ones over here. So we've got 1, 2. I'm just going to move myself down here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Have a look. Do we have the same number of counters in both groups? Don't, do we? We've got 8 in this one and 7 in this one. So can we share 15 fairly? We can't, can we? So is it going to be an odd number or an even number? It's going to be an odd number, isn't it? Because we've got 8 and we've got 7 and they can't be shared equally. It's an odd number. Fantastic, well done. Okay then. Now, I'm going to move myself up here. Let's see if we can find number 15 on a number line. So we've got our number line here. It's getting quite long now that we know a lot of numbers. Can you find number 15? Remember, 15 is made up of a 10 and a 5, which looks like a 1 and a 5, doesn't it? So we know all of our numbers up to 10. Can we find number 15? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Do you think it's the orange one? Let's see. Let's click on the hand. See if it'll tell us. There it is. We were right. Brilliant. Now this time, let's have a look using our numicon number line. So we're going to try and find number 15. Now remember, number 15 is made up of 10 and 5. So we're looking for our numicon 10 and 5. Can you spot it anywhere on our number line? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. A 10 and a 5. That looks right to me, doesn't it? A 10 and a 5, number 15. Let's give it a bit of a circle so that we know this is number 15. Now, we also need to work out what 1 more than 15 is using our number line. So remember, 1 more means that we're going to add another one. It means we're getting bigger. So to do that on a number line, we're going to jump this way for the 1 more. 1 more on our number line. What's 1 more than 15? Let's have a look. It's a 10 and a 6. A 10 and a 6. What's that going to be? If a 10 and a 5 is 15, a 10 and a 6 is going to be, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 1 more than 15 is 16. Brilliant. So we've got 1 more than 15 is 16. Let's write that here. What is 1 more? Well, we know it is 16. Let's have a look at what 1 less is. Now, if we're going to do 1 less on the number line, if 1 more went this way, 1 less is going to get smaller. So we're going to go this way. Let's have a look at 1 less. Now, we already know this number because we did it last week. It's a 10 and a 4. What number is that going to be? A 10 and a 4. Should we count it? We know that this is 10, so let's just carry on counting. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It's number 14. So 1 less than 15 is 14. Fantastic. We've worked that out. Well done. Let's just get rid of that before we move on. Okay, next thing. We're going to try and put 15 leaves on the tree together. There's a lot more than 15 leaves here. So let's see. Are you ready to help me count? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, keep going, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Am I going to keep going? No, we've reached 15. We've got 15 leaves on our tree. Oh, that looks like a nice tree, doesn't it, with 15 leaves on it? Fantastic. Right, one last thing. We now need to work out this question. Let me move myself down here so we can read the question. It says, Sammy needs to find, what's this word? The jar of sweets with 15 sweets. Can you help him? I think we can. So there's 3 jars here, and we've got to figure out which one has 15 sweets in. So we're going to count them. Okay, let's count each jar. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That got 15 in? No, that's got 9. Let's write 9 on so that we remember this one has got 9. What about this one? Let's have a look. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Is that one got 15 in? No, that one's got 11. Okay, let's put 11. So hopefully it should be this jar, but let's see if we're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It does. It's got 15, a 1 and a 5, 15 sweets in. Shall we see if we're right? Let's see. Yes, we are right. Fantastic. It does have 15 sweets in it. Okay, we've got one last challenge before we finish. Are you ready? I'm going to click on a star and we're going to see what it is. Let's go for this one. What does it say? It says, quickly, find something in your house that shows the number 15. Pause the video, go find something. Quick, quick, quick. Did you find it? Well done. You've worked really hard. Go and have a look at the plan, and today you're going to go on a hunt for the number 15. Enjoy. Bye-bye.